Welcome back to our channel Box Office Release. Let's start the video now. Fox lively comedy Bob's Burgers receives renewed for season 12 and season 13. Created with the aid of using Lauren Bouchard, Bob's Burgers follows the Belcher-owned circle of relatives: patriarch Bob H. Joe Benjamin, Linda John Roberts, Tina Dan Mintz, Jean Eugene Mirman, and Louis Kristen Scarl. Moreover, owners of the titular hamburger restaurant, the Belcher, navigate existence in a small coastal metropolis. Besides, every now and then carry out a musical number, and now it looks as if the Wessler-owned circle of relatives will keep to dole out burgers for the foreseeable future. Trailer, cast, and the whole lot of Bob's Burgers won't recognize approximately about the upcoming season 13. Moreover, you have an interest close to Bob's Burgers season 13, stop searching and start looking. This, along Rebel in Time and OTGW, is certainly in consideration as one among my untouched cherishable shows. Been looking through it through current years, and its 10th season, it truly holds and maintains the innovation, along with realness and feel effectiveness. Likewise, how every discern has their personal component with every child, besides the youngsters have their personal component with each other, is possibly the maximum balanced and four-dimensional relational peculiarity at any factor composed on television. The Order Game season 5, House of 1000 Bounces season 6, Mission Impossible and Boy Watch season 8, and Now We Are Not Cooking season 10, and primary quality scene is from season 3, God Rest Ye Gentle Mannequin. Regardless of whether or not they are being held hostage on an adventure transport offering up their personal cooking display or slamming Christmas raves, the Belchers won't ever delusion. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for latest update about all series and upcoming movies. Bob's Burger is a comedic magnum opus. The elegance of this display is its effortlessness. A burger man, Bob Belcher, tried to earn sufficient to get through at his eatery with the help of the soaring spouse Linda Belcher and three idiosyncratic youngsters, Tina, Jean, and Louis. There are recurring characters and jokes which can be tons greater a laugh at the off hazard which you recognize their beginning points. Fox introduced that Bob's Burger has been renewed for season 12 and season 13. The information of renewals of Bob's Burger arrive simply in advance of the choicest of season 11. Besides, as a way to display how the Belcher circle of relative handles an international pandemic. Featured as a part of Fox's animation block, which incorporates The Simpsons and Family Guy, Bob's Burgers is predicted to run via 2023. Thank you for watching the video till end. For more box office movies, web series, reviews, news, and updates, please visit our website www.boxofficerelease.com, and if you like our video, then hit the like button and share it with your friends. Also, to stay updated, please subscribe to our channel Box Office Release.